I've worked with a couple of startups, people who are actually starting new businesses, and interestingly, those people typically have this great idea and they just want to sell it to as many people as they possibly can. Crucial part of any startup is actually knowing that you can actually make a sale in the first place. So if you can't sell the product that you believe is the start of your new ideal perfect business, then there's not much point in actually investing money in marketing or any of those other things. So the first thing you've really got to focus on is being able to sell. Selling though in 2018 is actually a little bit different to selling in the 1980s or the 1990s, when all the rage was hard selling, push, 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 go out, just do the numbers, make the calls, eventually you'll get there. Nowadays, with social media and all of the other advances that have happened in the world, what you find is that people are being sold to all day, every day, in one form or another, be it on the computer, be it on the TV, be it on the radio. Everywhere they go, people are trying to push products on, which makes people resistant. So one of the critical and challenging parts of working with a startup is to actually get them to recognise that their solution doesn't have a value until they find the client who has a problem that solution solves.